Understanding English Honorifics. Doctor, Professor, Sir, Madam. Hello everyone. Welcome to another English language learning video. Today, we're going to talk about something really important in everyday conversation and formal writing, specifically the English honorifics like Doctor, Professor, Sir, and Madam. These titles are used to show respect and courtesy, and knowing when and how to use them correctly is crucial to mastering English. Let's dive in. First things first, let's clarify what honorifics are. Honorifics are titles or words used before a person's name to signify respect, profession, social status, or educational attainment. It is a way to show politeness and respect when addressing or referring to someone. Now, let's discuss Doctor and Professor. These are academic or professional titles used in formal situations. 1. Doctor. This is short for doctor, but it's not only for medical doctors. This title is also used for people who hold a doctorate degree in any discipline, such as philosophy, literature, or sciences. 2. Professor. Short for professor. It's used for individuals who teach in a university setting, particularly those with tenure or who hold a professorship. When in doubt, it's always safer to use these titles when addressing someone with a higher educational degree. For example, Dr. Smith or Professor Johnson. Let's move on to Sir and Madam. These are general honorifics used to show respect, especially when the person's name is unknown, or in formal and polite conversation. 1. Sir. Used when addressing a man, regardless of his marital status. For example, if you were to ask a stranger for directions, you might say, "Excuse me, sir, could you tell me how to get to the nearest station?" 2. Madam. This is the female equivalent of Sir. It's used when addressing a woman in a formal or respectful context. For example, Madam, may I take your coat? Remember, these titles are commonly used in formal situations, or when showing respect to strangers or older individuals. And that's it for today's video. We've learned about the English honorifics, Doctor, Professor, Sir, and Madam, and when to use them. Remember, using the correct honorifics is an important part of English etiquette, and it shows respect and courtesy to the person you're addressing. Keep practicing and you'll master these in no time. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to help you with your English learning journey. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.